Okay, day Friday, 9 June. First candle, sort of doji candle, no clear direction. Okay, previous day from top area, selling pressure is in around 150 point, selling price decline. Now weekly condition is that week top is that on Thursday, last day, week open is here. Week open. Okay, 5 June. Okay, 5th June. Okay, this is week open condition, open price. Now it's if we see lower portion, lower T formed here, and buying pressure is seen. This zone is for buyers. In second half, buying pressure is seen. Now market broke below. Market tested yesterday week's open. So there are 50-50 chances that market will stay up because it's last day, Friday. Stay up, or 50-50 chances are that market goes down. Now whole week recovery just is done in last 4 hours. If you see, these are the last 4 hours where major selling is there, and whole week range is covered in that 4-hour candle. Now last day selling pressure is there, so most probably we assume we can take trades on downside. That is day's preparation. Okay, now let's see today's range. Okay. From here, this is yesterday's low. So before any analysis, we can assume that as per examples, our examples, it is assured that it can be seen that market test yesterday's low. Okay, so yesterday's low is around here, 18,620. So if seller wants throughout, sellers traders want day to throughout low, so it has to form channel to the downside. So this is day's prediction or day's structure, like that. Key, if gap up is opening, then it has to test yesterday's low and close. Now for throughout day selling pressure, they have to maintain channel. They have to form channel, because 90% of 90, I am sure that 90% of days, if starting one first half uh, pressure for selling. If sellers are active for first half, then 80 to 90% chances are there, and second half buyers will take over whole range of sellers. So we can see that there are many. I have seen many examples like they, let's say, second half will break out, no, second half sell. Okay, so they look at this. First half selling pressure is seen. Now what they are doing is maintaining selling position. Look in chart right side of position, selling pressure is seen. Look at that. This is the common pattern of sellers to go down. Look, second half is selling channel. Okay, this is also one of the example. But this is other case. This is a high long range trader. This is similar to above one. Look at this. Okay, so here one example is that here what they have done here is sellers first they show their presence. Now days highs is maintained throughout day. They are not taking prices above price. No single candle even a high goes above high of the day, and sellers are active at higher prices. Let's say first candle, second candle, third candle are so selling pressure. Now big green candle are there. Now there are micro channel for bulls. So here what is happening is sellers are selling at higher prices. This is no buying pressure at all. No buying candle is seen. Why buyer buys here? Okay. Buyers have also scalping purposes. This is first candle. Okay, we will consider, we will see in chart. Okay. Now first candle is doji candle. So there is confusion here. So no trade will be taken. Now second candle, same doji candle. So chances are that there is less amount of trending candles on day structure. We can assume that. Now it break down and making full body candle of red. So third candle is probably go short. Now the reason for short is first opening trade. Chances are that they will test day's low. Yesterday day's low. We can sell it there. We can sell it by SL of this high of the day, 2 days. Okay. Now there is selling pressure shown here. Third candle is full body candle. Fourth candle is full body candle. No small candle, large candle, 3 bar candle. Okay. Now fifth candle, we can see that there is a tail. So 60% is body, 40% is tail. This is type of exhausted mode of sellers on smaller time frame or 5-minute time frame, and it is occur around previous day yesterday's low, near to low. So there are chances that there are buyers below yesterday lows. Okay, so yesterday's low is 18,616 and today's low is 18,609. Okay, so there is 10 point difference. So there are good buyers are there and they are buying at yesterday's low, near yesterday's low. Now next candle is sixth candle, which showed presence of buyers, and some of the traders, good buy traders, have bought on closing. Now if we closely look at this sixth candle, let's go to 1 minute chart. Okay, look at this. Candle number 26 is 940, so 5 minutes starting from here. This is buying pressure. Now at 29 candle, sellers brought down price. Now what happened is that 29 candle is less than 50% body. Okay, and it is 43 minutes, so 1 minute left in 5 minutes. So 43-minute candle which tries to break down price but not able to, and close around 40% of body. And very next candle, 30 candle, which is 5 minute last candle, big red candle and convert 5 minute into green candle, very last candle. So it is also good buy signal. So buyers bought at 30 candle. Okay, now prices, this is type of fade with, yes, fade. What is fade? Fading is, let's say from top sellers have fed the prices. Now chances are that below breakout, so breakout pullback, yes. So buyers also fed it. Now buyers bought prices, and seventh candle is very green candle. Seventh candle is accepted candle. Now what is happening is 8, 9, 10, 11, up to 11 candles, there are micro channels. Okay, micro channel. So what is the day structure? Day structure is that sellers want higher prices. Chances are there are no trending candles. Okay, day's high is maintained. Here micro channel looks not possible to break high of the day. So after looking at 12th candle, now most of sellers are entered here. If you traded third candle, so stop loss is around days high. After sixth candle, there is reason to exit on the trade, because you have 1 and 2 candle, almost 6, 4, 9, 30 points, 30 points in your side. Okay, if you are swing trader, this is swing trade we are finding. So we can sitting by days high, stop loss of days high, because our entry is superior. Now this bull channel not able to break above days high. Sellers are entered at 12th candle. Now what we can find here is, now sellers are safe. Buyers are here buyers entered. Now buyers entered on 7 side is not happy with this type of candle. Now they exit because their SL is too less. This is trap. This is selling trap. Why selling trap I prefer? Because sellers want price higher. This moment is created by sellers, not from buyers. They want higher prices to sell. 11th candle, no pressure of buying soon, lack of buyers. 12th candle, big red candle. Now what buyers will do? Buyer will exit. So another safest trade is candle 12 close. After, okay, now prices drop down to 40 point to the 21 candle, 12 candle, 13 candle. So this is bear channel from 12 to 20. This is two-legged move, first leg and second leg. Okay. Now after second leg, 23 candle. Chances are that buyers have some presence for two-legged move because it broke day's low. So chances are that day's candle is red. Okay. Now 11 o'clock, still presence of sellers. Now buyers trade for two-legged move. Two. So 21 close buy for 23 can be buy for scalping. 25 is good candle. So they have also bull channel in that. Okay. 35, 36. Okay, 36 is the high of that channel. Now what is happening here? After in 40 candle, there is big green candle. As you can see, this candle size is not here in that. This is exhausted candle, exhausted buying pressure. We can consider it as this is the first leg. If we see now, there is pullback. Now pullback is channel, but two-sided trading in pullback. Like we can say that here buying pressure is continued and above that selling pressure is continued. Now first, second, third push are there. First, second, third pushes are there. So here lot of traders are entered. What you can do? You can trade below that. Let's say using big green candle. What you can do is you can put trigger order, sell trigger order below green candle. Okay, so entry becomes here or around 40 close. It's fair. Now this high tested 12th close. 12th close. Okay. So remember that in this type of day structure, first two candles shows is that there is no trending bar. So chances are that big ups and downs are there. Presence of both buyers and sellers. Now secure your SL is first priority. Okay, so days high is your SL. Moving to swing low of 11th candle is your SL for entry of 12th candle closing. So it is advantageous. Now 41 candle is small green candle where 40% is body is there. So this is presence of sellers or buyers are exiting. We can say that buyers who have bought 36 candle, even 40 candle high, 40 midpoint, so they are exiting here. 42 is red candle, 43 is red candle, 44 up to 42 to 48 candles are sideways. Sellers will enter 49th candle. This with this good looking sell candle here. 49 candle, 50 candle, 51 candle, 3 decent bar. So probably this is leg or we can say spike. Now for this is first half structure. Now for sellers want prices lower or trader sees if this goes down, so they find channel because structure is like that, seller structure is like that, they will create channel. So what is channel? Channel consists of both type of trades. So every breakout, below breakout there are buyers, so they are buying 50, yes 50 51 close, there are buyers, so they scalped up to 45. There are again below 53 candle, which is 56 candle buyers are there. So this is channel. Now declining channel, you can easily make profit here by selling prices. Look at this. If you traded 56 candle, no worries. Put SL here or here, 58 high or 55 high. Look, what you can do is 56 close, you traded, wait for it, move your SL after in profit. Let's say after seeing candle 62, you moved your profit to here or close the year. Good chance because trend line bottom is there. You can find trade here. 49 candle, 56 candle. Okay. Now again below 56 candle, 63 is buying candle, green candle. So buyers will bought here. 64th candle is good green candle for scalping for buyers. Now sellers are still here, so they will again sell at 65 candle, 66 candle, 70 candle, 72 candle. Now what I can find here is that this is good bearish trade setup today. Structure is identified that first it will try to break yesterday's close or yesterday low. So it what here is protect your stop loss. Stop loss is days high, let's say. Okay, so second entry is well maintained. Most of times second, 12th candle, third candle, 12th candle, 40 candle are in most of time in profit. Now if you moved stop loss to swing low, then you can safely play selling trades. Let's say you move after appearing 12th candle, you move your SL to 11th high. There is pullback, you seated well, great, exited at 24, 26, no worries. Enter again at 40th candle with SL of 40th high or 11th high. If you entered in 12th, just trail your SL to 40th high, and if you see 49 candle, you can move your SL to that swing low as well. 49, 50, 51, 56 candle. Now most of sell are exited 60 to 63 candle because it's well and good day structure. Swing traders are exiting here. It is around 80, 86.85 point. I traded at third candle, missed the 12th setup. Second candle entered, but my SL got hit. I lately determined that this structure is known to me, but not traded as sufficient is that. Now I entered candle 25. Yes, 25th candle close I bought. I hope that always in position will convert into buying bull because 80% of day of sellers are converted to bull. So I bought here for always in long, but this point I got stopped out. I couldn't determine to legged move or pull back because I always find pullback greatly. I That was my mistake that I unable to find this pullback. I traded as well. I am in profit as well. More than this for fall, I earn profit in this pullback. I unable to sold it because I absent at that time. I sold around here. Yes, I sold around 49th candle. Okay, let's check. 49th candle. Yes, I traded it. Again, I stopped out at 55, and again my trade broke down to 56. Now, this bear channel, if you identified that, you can easily trade it. Okay, wait for 25. Let's see. Order 1306, 1340. Okay, okay. I I traded 1340. Great. Okay, okay. My stop loss just stopped out at 40th candle high. I bought 41 as a call. I think that swing low will happen, but I forgot it. My mistake is that, and there is no bull body. Okay, I stopped out at 42 minute, 44 minute. I exited at 44. Not to worry. Now, based another great trade was taken at 1402. Okay, 1402. Okay, I traded this as well. It is also in position side of 20 point in option 76 to 59. It is also 20 points are there. Okay. 1322. I bought at 1322 minute. 1322. Okay, I traded this also. Yes, I traded 49th candle as well. What I have to do is I have to just put SL here. By putting SL here, I can still be in profit today. I find almost every trade in profit. Almost every trade. I traded pullback. I traded these. I also presence here, but I am unable to trade it. Let's accept it. It's my mistake. Traded pullback. I traded. I want to trade here, but I for swing low. Let's accept it. I traded 49. I traded 56 breakout candle. Hope for further go down because structure is one of the structures that big red candle, small green candle again broke down. They not broke because this is channel. So buying pressure is same equivalent to selling pressure, but move is to downside. Majority move is downside. So this structure 56 to 63 candles are stick to the lower line of the channel. Now I stopped out at 65 because I moved SL to price. Every SL hitted is moved to price. So I learned a lesson today. The price to price SL is sometimes killing. We can trade manage as well easily. Okay. So 60, 64, 65 to 73 candle also decent selling pressure is there against 64th candle. Yes, it's easy day. Never forget this day in future. So great selling setup. Gold trades are there. You can trade pullback as well. Buying pullback. I my price is okay. 1114 traded call and 1306. 1114. Okay, let's look at this. I traded close of 24th candle. I bought. Now this broke down to my SL. 4th candle. I just closed this because I assume that always in long. That was my mistake. But this structure is well known. The structure is like that. Chase for yesterday's low. Sellers will find higher prices to sell, but day size maintain. They are maintaining swing lows as well. Look at this. Swing lows are there. Look at this. Now, another point is that if sellers want lower prices, they have to create channel. So this is the channel. At second half, it bear channel, so it is advantage here. Okay, thank you.